అందరికీ ఆనందోదయం. మీకు బోర్ కొట్టించిన బయాలజీ అంశాలను బోధించే మీ రాజ్ ఈ బయోరాజ్. ఈరోజు ప్రతిరోజులాగే ఈరోజు మంచి రోజే, కొత్త రోజే. విద్యార్థి విజయానికి అడ్డంకులు 3. 1 అబద్ధం, 2 వాయిదాలు వేయడం, 3 అధిక నిద్ర. ఈ 3 విద్యార్థి విజయానికి అనర్థాలు. మరి వాటిని విడిచిపెట్టి విజయం కోసం ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. సరే, టుడే let us learn about the stem. So we already learned about the root system. Today the functions of the stem. We know a plant. This is a plant. These are leaves. This is the bud. This is the node. These are nodes. This is the internode. This is the stem. So this is the stem. So let us learn more things about the stem. This is the aerial part of the plant body above the ground is called as shoot system. So the parts of the body plant body above the ground is called as shoot system. Prakanda vyavastha. So the axial part of this plant is the stem. The shoot system contains leaves, flowers, fruits. So these are the parts of the plant. The shoot system contains them. So let us learn about the shoot, that means stem. Here we can see the nodes. These are the nodes. Node. Node is the place of the plant where the leaves arise. So leaves are growing from these nodes. The path between the 2 successive nodes is called as internode. So this part is internode. So these are nodes, this is the internode. And this is the bud, coracle. These are buds. There are 2 types of buds. At the place of the tip, at the tip of the plant, at the tip of the stem, the bud is called as apical bud. This is the apical or terminal bud. So we learned about the parts nodes. Nodes are two types. Nodes are two types. The nodes and internodes. Nodes and internodes. Buds are two types. These apical buds in the axils of the leaves. The axils of the leaves, we can see some buds are there. These buds are called as auxiliary buds. The axils of the leaves contains auxiliary buds. So these are auxiliary buds. So buds are two types, apical or terminal, agraquaracum, and auxiliary buds. So these are two types. According to their location, at the tip of the stem it is called as apical or terminal buds, and at the place of axils of the leaves, such type of buds are called as auxiliary buds. So these are two types. The stem it's a water conduction. So let us learn an activity. Let us observe the activity to know how the conduction of water by the stem. Let us observe through an activity. So here is an activity. As they do it. The aim to observe the conduction of water by the stem. That means to observe the conduction of water by the stem. What we need? The apparatus or material, substances. What we need? We need a twig of balsam plant. A twig of balsam plant to observe what happened, what changes are occurred in the stem when it will be a transparent stem. So I'll tender stem. So a twig of balsam plant and a glass of water. With a few drops of red ink. So we need balsam plant, a glass of water, and red ink drops. Red ink. So what to do? How to do? Place this balsam plant Take a glass of water. Take a glass of water. Place a balsam plant twig. Place a twig of balsam plant in a glass of water with a few drops of red ink. So then what do you see? What do you see? The observation. The observation. The red ink. The red ink taken by this twig or stem and transport it to upwards. So the red ink taken by this twig and transports upwards to upper parts. So we can see the reddish. The twig will be, the stem will be reddish. We observe it. Then what do you learn? Or what you need? What you learn? So observation is the twig will be, the stem will be reddish. What do you learn? The red ink transported by the stem to upwards. According to this activity, we can learn the stem transports the water and minerals to the other parts of the plant through the stem. That is the function of this stem. So let us learn about the functions of the stem. Functions. Functions of the stem. The main function is it supports. Stem supports to the leaves, branches, flowers and fruits, and it transports water and minerals. Water and minerals. So stem transports water and mineral from the soil, from the roots, to the all parts of the aerial parts of the plant body. And the third one transports food. Stem transports food from the leaves to the other parts of the body. The fourth one The fourth one, food, stores food. Stores food in it as modified stems. As modified stems. Example like modified stems. Modified stems like ginger, garlic, turmeric. Examples: ginger, garlic, potato, sugarcane, turmeric, etc. So the stem stores food in it as a bulge. The pot grows as it forms bulge in size. So such type of stems look like tubers, but they are not tubers. They are the stems. They are high in the ground, but these are all modified stems. Onion, garlic, ginger, potato, sugarcane, turmeric, etc. Like sugarcane, this is ginger, garlic, and turmeric, sugarcane, etc. These are the main functions. Let us learn. The aerial part of the plant body above the ground is called as shoot system. This is the shoot system. This is the shoot system. The axis of this plant is called as stem. The shoot system contains leaves, flowers, fruits, birds, etc. సో దీని ప్రకాండ వ్యవస్థ అంటారు. దీనికి పత్రాలు, అలాగే ఫ్లవర్స్, పుష్పాలు, కాయలు, పండ్లు అన్ని దీనికి ఇది సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది, వాటికి ఆధారం. ద నెక్స్ట్ నోడ్స్ and internodes. See this guava plant. This is the branch. The leaves arranges from this part. These are nodes. Two successive nodes. Between the two successive nodes, this mid part is called as internode. Buds are two types: apical or terminal, అగ్రకోరకం, పార్శ్వకోరకం. Auxiliary buds and apical bud. సో ఇక్కడ కోరకాలు రెండు రకాలు, అగ్రకోరకము, పార్శ్వకోరకము. అలాగే activity 4 This is the activity to observe the conduction of water by the stem from the soil or the root system. What you need? The aim is to observe what you need: a twig of balsam plant, a glass of water with a few drops of red ink. What to do? Place the twig in a glass of water with a few drops of red ink. What do you see? The observation. The stem of the balsam plant turned into reddish. What do you learn? The red ink observed by the twig, by the stem of the balsam plant, and it transports to the upwards. The main functions of the stem. The first one supports the all aerial parts of the plant body. That means leaves, branches, fruits, flowers, etc. The second one transports water and minerals from the root system to upward parts. The another one transports food from the leaves to the all parts of the body, plant body. The fourth one stores food in it as modified stems. The examples of the modified stems are ginger, garlic, potato, sugarcane, turmeric, etc. Potato, etc. So ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థి విజయానికి అడ్డంకులు 3 ఉన్నాయి. అబద్ధం ఆడడం అనర్థం, వాయిదాలు వేయడం అనర్థం, అధిక నిద్ర అనర్థం. సో ఇవి లేకుండా చేసుకుంటే నీ జీవితం విజయవంతం. సరే, మనం చాలా విషయాలు ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకున్నాం. మరికొన్ని విషయాల తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో నేర్చుకుంటాం. మిమ్మల్ని విసిగించైనా మీకు జీవశాస్త్ర విషయాల్ని అందించే మీ ఆనందరాజ్ ఈ బయోరాజ్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. మళ్ళీ కలుసుకున్నంత వరకు వెయిట్ అండ్ సీ. బై.